Escape to the exclusive Brando private island resort, nestled in French Polynesia's Tetiaroa atoll, where coral reefs, crystal clear waters, and white sand beaches await. Indulge in unparalleled comfort and elegance in the Brando suites, designed with open floor plans and breathtaking ocean vistas. From cozy one-bedroom villas to spacious three-bedroom estates, each accommodation boasts private plunge pools, outdoor showers, and modern amenities like air conditioning, Wi-Fi, and flat-screen televisions. Savor the flavors of French Polynesia at the Brando's restaurants. Les Moutinets offers fine dining with locally sourced ingredients, while the Beachcomber Cafe and Nami Teppanyaki provide more casual fare. For a touch of romance, opt for a private beach dining experience under the stars. Stay active with the resort's fitness center, tennis and basketball courts, or embrace the ocean with snorkeling and kayaking. Explore Tetiaroa's natural beauty with guided tours and learn about marine life from the on-site biologist. Rejuvenate at the Varua Polynesian Spa, where traditional Polynesian massage techniques meet serene natural surroundings. The Varua massage, a blend of lomi-lomi, taurumi, and Swedish styles, promises to soothe your muscles and refresh your spirit. The Brando's dedication to sustainability shines through its use of solar energy, seawater air conditioning, and water purification systems. The resort's commitment extends to its dining practices and community involvement, ensuring a stay that's as responsible as it is luxurious. Arrive at the Brando via a 20-minute private flight from Tahiti, and choose the dry season between May and October for the best experience. Embrace the resort's eco-friendly ethos, from its renewable energy sources to its organic spa treatments, and discover why the Brando is not just a retreat, but a testament to sustainable luxury. Book with a French Polynesia specialist at Far and Away Adventures.